The Fair 1000.
Fair 1000.
125 PSI and a 1 foot by 2 inch diameter tube. 2 ball valves. 1 Nerf dart.
Pocket rocket.
Pocket rocket.
Pocket rocket.
Pocket rocket. Perfect. Pocket rocket.
Now we're out 125 yards down to the end of the stop sign. We'll see if we can hit it.
Hit the stop sign.
Hit the stop sign.
Hit the stop sign. Which way is the wind blowing?
The wind is blowing to our right. Hang on.
Angle of the dangle.
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, all the way to the end of the street. Yes.
RPG test number 2. $125 yards.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Fair 1000 Airsoft projectile at 125 PSI, pegging a fence. Are you ready?
Ready?
Oh, God! Wait! Mother, it dented the fence. Wait, let's stand over here.
To the fence end. All right, well, what do you got?
I got an RPG.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
RPG.
RPG. God. Hey. Need a wide angle lens. Okay.
Test number 3. 125 PSI projectile, Nerf projectile, harmless, absolutely harmless, hitting a 5-gallon water drum.
God.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to shoot a straight up vertical shot of the Fair 1000 RPG. Waylon has it in his hands. It's been pressurized to 125 PSI. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Wait a minute. We're going to have to get a lower angle.
Ready?
Ready. Goodness gracious. And it's going straight for the house. Please come down.